Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a 70-year-old lady that was chopped to death recently. Let's get into this story. It says a 70-year-old woman was attacked and chopped to death in a house in Porus, Manchester late on Sunday. The deceased have been identified as Evadine Glade, otherwise called Miss Birdie. Reports are that about 9:30 p.m., relatives went to visit the retiree and discover her body with multiple chop wounds and her throat slashed. The discovery has triggered widespread shock and anger in the once quiet community where the elderly woman lived and died. A team of detectives is still in the area processing the scene and are appealing to anyone with information to contact the nearest police station to tell what they know. So, as you guys know, females and especially elderly female have been a target in Jamaica recently, and this is very sad because they're very vulnerable, they're older, and they're supposed to be enjoying their retirement, enjoying their old age, being gracious enough to enjoy what life has given them, and that is a long life. This is very sad. And the more I see these stories, the more sad I get because I have grandparents and I can only imagine if something like this happened to them, I would be sick to my stomach. So, condolence goes out to the family, condolence goes out to everybody that knew her, and I hope the police work expeditiously on this one because this is very horrid. I hope they didn't rape her or anything like that because that would be even more sad. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.